Hi there, so cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dundun the chicken from Miniso. So let's get started. To draw this super cute daisy chicken, let's first start by drawing the flower. So I'm going to come right here and start with a point, and then I'm going to draw the petal. So I'm going to come around with a curve, nice and round, and bring it up to create my first petal and bring it in. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to bring this down and just like the other side. Try my best to match the other side by right there and connect. There. So we have two petals. Then from there I'm going to come to say about right here on this petal, and we're just going to draw a smaller one on the side. So same exact thing on the other side, but right here. And once again, and curve it in. There. Then from there, let's bring it all together, and I'm going to come back into this space about, say, right here and here. And we're just going to draw a curve. And connect. And then we're going to draw the stem. So find your center about right here, and we're just going to curve out and thicken it up. There. So we have our daisy hat in. Then from there, we're just going to imagine this curve is continuing. So we're going to bring it down to about right here. Same thing on this side. And we're going to start to draw the chicken shape. So we're going to bring this down. So it almost has the same shape as the Squishmallows, right? But this is not a Squishmallow. This is from Miniso. So I'm going to bring this down. So it's all up to you how tall you want to make your chicken. But let's say about right there. I'm not going to make mine too long. I want it nice and plump. So I'll go ahead and bring it in. So about right there, and then we're going to go ahead and connect it. This kind of reminds me of an eggplant shape. And let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. Okay, so that is the general shape that we're looking for. Now let's bring this Dundun chicken to life. Not sure if it's a boy or girl, so let's come back, and this is our center. So we want to leave the center open, and I'm going to come over a little bit. So let's say about right here. So let's just make sure I don't go past the center. I want to hit this petal, so I'm going to come right here. Start right here, making sure I don't pass the middle. And I'm just going to use this to draw a circle for the eyes. There. And then I'm going to come across, so say about right here. Just like the other side, and hit that petal. And draw another circle. I guess if it's easier, we could have stuck the eyes together. I've seen some versions where the eyes are literally stuck together, so maybe that would be easier. So play around with it, but leaving this little space in the center because there's this little beak I want to draw. So let's come back about right here. I'm getting ahead of myself, but I wanted to show you why we need to leave this space open, and I'm going to draw this little oval shape. And then let's come right about here and just draw a little beak. So a little curve. And there. And then let's come back in here, and we're going to draw a circle. And give it a little highlight and then shade it all in. There. So same thing here. So towards this edge a little bit more. The original, the eyes are a little bit more beady, but I'm just making mine bigger. And same thing. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw some wings. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop out these wings and bring it in. So same thing on the other side. About right here. And just like the other side, let's go ahead and connect. And then for some feet, let's come about right here underneath the eye. I'm going to come right here, draw a little angle line, and then we're going to draw 3 curves, 2 and 3. And same thing on the other side, just underneath. So let's say about, so make sure, so about right there, then here, and once again, 1, 2 and 3. And last but not least, I almost forgot, I'm going to add a little heart right here on the side to make this my Draw So Cute Daisy chicken from Miniso. Now that the drawing is done, let's go ahead and color it. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this cute chicken here from Miniso turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.